spider, okay, by Oliver, Kubus, and Mommy Z.
Why does the spider look so creepy?
I did.
Spider.
I did the werewolf.
Spider fiend.
This.
Spider cave.
This.
No, I made that mask.
This. And I also made this mask.
The diamond mask.
Okay, so let's choose who wants to be which bee.
I want to be this one. That means.
So I'm gonna be the smallest bee. Okay, so we're gonna choose by who's gonna have the biggest number.
I'm starting. Okay.
4, 4, 5.
Okay, Mom starts.
1,
I'm
2,
second.
3, 4.
5. Okay.
My turn.
Okay. Mama then over than me.
5. So Oli is with me. And then Kubus. 1. Oli, don't do like that. 1, 2.
1, 2.
Yeah.
Kubus, wait.
What?
1. Well done. 5, Kubus. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5. I'm on top of these.
Okay.
Ha.
Oli, don't
1,
jump.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Move a space up. Yeah. So we all together. Okay. So now
Your turn. Then my turn. Then 4.
3. Okay. Give me 1 second. 1, 2, 3. Gosh, I'm in the spider cave. The only 6 can save me. 2.
I sound lucky.
Kubus.
Get 3, go. Get 3, go. Get 3.
4.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
It's
Kubus.
not supposed to be.
So I'm stuck because I need to. Woohoo! I'm out. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5, 6.
Okay, your turn over. Hey, what? That's the command to stick it on me. I can hold the camera.
No, it's okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. Now Kubus.
You last.
2.
1, 2. Now you're the last. Ha ha.
Okay, guys.
5.
It's number 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bonus. A roll a dice. Woohoo! 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm getting very close
To the werewolf.
to Werewolf Cave, so I just passed
This
the
is what I
cactus
made.
field.
Look at the sun.
1. Ooh.
No.
Okay, Kubus. Go, Kubus. 1, 2. Okay, Ladybug Charm, roll 1 more dice. Bravo, Kubus. Well done.
One more time.
No. 5. Go, Kubus.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
I cut this field. Ha ha.
Oh, Oliver, you're getting a little bit lost.
Ha.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, you can move my character. I was right here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm a cactus field. Ha ha.
5. Okay. 1. Woof. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm in a pine tree field.
Why am I like the last one? I like to be 5.
4, 5. Okay. And then Kubus. 6. Well
1,
done.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 2.
No,
No,
here.
3.
Oops, you got almost lost, Kubus. You need to watch out. Mommy's going 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, a star treat. Swap plays with any of the player. No thanks. No thanks, guys. Oh, he's got a 2. 1, 2. Oh, you're going close to the werewolf cave. Kubus 6. Well done. 1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6.
This is what I made.
Okay. 1. Oli.
Oh, I'm so happy I'm playing this.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't move my character, Cole.
Kubus, you can move mine too.
No,
Okay, now you. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
1. Oh, you just.
Oh
Okay.
my god, I really want to.
Now, mommy.
I'm going to
3.
move on.
1, 2, 3.
I want to move to the best player.
2. 1, 2. Kubus.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Free.
Star
free.
treat. Star.
Just watch out because I can be attacked by the vicious mantis, so I need to watch out. Ollie,
I can hold the
6.
camera.
No,
I
it's
can hold
fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Knocked
Oh my
out.
gosh. Ollie's just about to. 1, 2. No! I've been attacked by vicious mantis. I need to go back 3 places. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3.
I'm the top player. Oh.
Ollie, come on, come on, come on. 3. 1, 2, 3. Slide.
What does slide mean?
Just slide to that one, to the sunflower field. Kubus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
No, there.
By mistake, I'm at the moment the last, but don't you worry, guys. Just keep your finger crossed. 1, 2. I can beat this mantis. 6. Ollie, well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Haha. Oops, you can fall down, Ollie. 1, 2. Wow, ladybug burst. You going. Wow, Kubus is just about to. Yeah.
Wait, what happens when it gets...
Na prowadzenie. 1 second, Kubuś. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom shot. That's it. That's it. Oh, Oliver, you little bit.
One. Okay.
He can oops and slide down.
Okay.
2. Demon mask. You have an extra roll, but you can choose. Do you want to go to the commando chicken and slide straight away here, or you going to go the long way? Which one you going,
I
Kubuś?
kind of want to fight Commando Chicken. Wait, what?
But you lose 1 turn.
But you have to actually roll a 4. You're gonna go here, so you're stuck
Okay,
here. 5.
5.
No, so you're going that way, yeah?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 second. Diamond max, extra booth, more 4 spaces. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Kubuś, you really like some routes.
Coconut
My turn.
Ollie. No, it's my turn after Kubuś. 4. Ollie, don't do it.
That is so unfair.
1, 2. I'm gonna try here.
You're stuck there.
No, if I get like a 4, I can like go to you 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kubuś.
Okay. That is so
Kubuś is na prowadzeniu. 1. Okay, watch out. And if I'm lucky to have a 4, I'm gonna beat the commando chicken and I'm gonna 6. I'm gonna still wait a turn, but if not, I'm gonna go all the way around. 4, Ollie. 1. Which way you wanna go? 3, 4. Boy's taking the long one. Kubuś. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kubuś is almost on the sunny side now.
What does that mean? Wait, what happens when I go
Is
here?
it pineapple? You see? 6. Okay, never mind. I'm going the long way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't waste any more rounds because Kubuś is just about to win it. 2. 1, 2. You're on a diamond mask. 1 second, Kubuś. Extra boost. Go once again, Ollie.
Wait, doesn't this...
I move 4 spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what a pity.
What is this?
That if you here defeat him, you're going straight here. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, what a pity. You just lost a boost, Kubuś. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bye-bye, Ollie. Ollie's got a 5. 4.
Bye-bye.
Okay. There's a coconut crab trap as well. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, what does this King Rhino?
King Rhino Beater, you lose. Skip 1 round, so you hopefully
No,
not gonna
no.
go there.
I'm here.
Okay, 1 second because I'm lost. 3. Oh no! 1, 2, 3. Coconut trap.
See you later.
To exit, I need to scroll 6. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ollie's on the pineapple field. Woohoo! 6.
It was Kubush's turn, so that doesn't count. Sorry.
No.
Ollie.
That was Kubush's turn.
No,
then.
it wasn't,
You're
Ollie.
stuck here.
Okay,
Kubush,
Kubus is yours, Turner. Ollie's got right. 2. 2. Okay.
Skip turn, you może.
Nie. Okay, so King, Rhino, Beetle, you lose, keep one round. So